Hi everybody, I'm attorney Aiden Kramer with the law office of Aiden H. Kramer in Colorado, and you are watching All Up in Your Business. I have some friends here with me today. I have invited Joseph Lutz and Natalie Lutz, my accounting team extraordinaire, because I know you guys have a lot of questions that have to do with taxes, and I try very hard not to answer those, so I wanted to bring in the experts to answer some of the more common tax questions that you guys have about your business. So Joe, why don't you do a brief introduction and then just get right into it.
I'm Joe Lutz, your small business CPA, where our premium small business package does make the difference. Today we're going to talk about auto expenses. Natalie, should I have my S Corp own my business vehicle?
Your S Corp can own your business vehicle. However, in most cases, auto insurance on a vehicle owned by the business is more expensive.
But if I have the corporation own the vehicle, can I just deduct all my expenses on the corporation return?
You are still required to prove your business miles driven.
And how do I do that?
We recommend using odometer readings as frequent as possible, preferably daily, to record your auto miles driven.
What are the two options to deduct auto expense?
The most common is the mileage rate, which is 57.5 cents a mile per business mile driven. You can also use the actual expenses. In that case, you would use the business percentage of actual expenses on the vehicle.
Do you mean if the actual expense method is used, I don't have to keep track of my mileage?
No, unfortunately, if you use the actual expense method, you're required to keep track of your business miles driven and all expenses on the vehicle.
So if the shareholder owns the vehicle, how is business mileage deducted?
We recommend the business reimburse the owner for the miles driven at 57.5 cents a mile. There is a recent court case that says if the mileage is not reimbursed, it may be reduced or even eliminated.
What happens if I lease the business vehicle?
If you lease the vehicle, you are allowed to choose the actual expense method or the mileage rate. The actual expense method in that case would include part of the lease payment as well. However, if your vehicle is over $17,000, you may be required to reduce some of the lease payment expense.
Is commuting mileage deductible?
Generally, commuting is not deductible. However, if you take an office in the home deduction, your commuting from your home to your business office may be deductible.
Thank you so much for watching. You can contact us at lutzcpas.com.
Yep, and I'm going to put all of their contact information in this video and in the description so you'll know how to get a hold of them, which I recommend you do because they're fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Aiden Kramer, and I'll see you next time.